So the auto sales number came in for the month of July, and we can see that the PV segment has performed quite well, with the Hyundai and Tata Motors PV coming in as a surprise, while the Tata Motors CV also performed very well. Talking about the tractor segment, we've seen some very strong performance from Escorts, Kubota, and M&M tractors as well. Some numbers that came in line with our expectation was M&M Auto, Maruti Suzuki, Eicher Motors, Royal Enfield, and Hero MotoCorp. We saw that these numbers were in line with what we were estimating. You are at ET now. The one thing that came in as a disappointment was Eicher Motors VECV numbers, which came in slightly below estimates and was not what we were expecting. Talking about some of the numbers, we can see that Maruti sold around 2,41,421 cars, with M&M Auto selling 1,03,000 cars, and Hyundai coming in as a surprise with 25% growth on a yearly basis, selling 75,000 cars for the month of July. Tata Motors PV, however, was the biggest surprise, recording a 59% growth on a yearly basis, selling 63,760 cars. So Tata Motors PV, led by the EV race that it is headlining for now, can be seen as the big winner for the PV segment. Up next is the CV segment, which was a mixed bag, since Tata Motors CV was showcased a very strong growth of 37%, but VECV of Eicher Motors was a disappointment. Up next, we can see the two-wheeler segment with Eicher Motors RE, that is the Royal Enfield, selling 1,18,000 units with a growth of 34% on a yearly basis, with Hero MotoCorp selling 5,33,000 units, that is a 19% growth on a yearly basis. So double-digit growth for both the companies in the two-wheeler segment. Up next is the tractor segment that has given a very strong performance for the month of July, as the monsoon tension de-escalates and the deficit in rainfall can be seen narrowing. Talking about Escorts, saw a 22% yearly growth with 8,731 units, and M&M tractors selling 34,420 units, recording a 20% growth. So all in all, a strong set of numbers from the auto sales demand for the month of July.